Are you looking for a way to super chat or join membership to your favorite YouTubers slash streamers without using debit or credit cards? Then this is the video for you. In this video, I'll show you guys how to take YouTube channel membership using the join button and how to super chat your favorite streamer. Before we proceed, we need to open GPay or Paytm. I'm gonna use GPay to show this method, although it's the same in both. So open Google Pay and go to new payments and then search for Play Store recharge code, and you will get it here, and you have to add your email ID and then make a new payment. After you make a new payment of minimum 100 rupees, it will show here like this. Then you have to just click on redeem code and Play Store will open and you can redeem the code and you will get like 100 rupees in your Google Play account. So after you guys have done adding money, I'm gonna use Hydroflix channel as an example to show you guys how to join his channel as a member. Right here we have Hydroflix channel. This is very simple. You just need to go to the join button area and press join. Then you will see this membership with all the perks right here: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. So I'm gonna show you guys an example. Like I'm gonna go to bronze and click on join. Then a new pop-up will open showing complete your purchase, Hydroflix channel membership, 29 rupees. So you have to select a payment method. So here we have the Google Play balance. You just have to select on that and press buy. After you press buy, you will become a member to Hydroflix channel. That's it. Now if you want to super chat someone, you have to go to this dollar sign, then click on it and click on super chat or super sticker, whichever you want. Then there will be an option, you can type any message you want. Then you have to click on buy and send. So when you click on buy and send, a pop-up will open, which is the same complete your purchase pop-up. Now here you won't find the Google Play balance. I don't know why, but you can use your, you can add bank account with Bhim UPI ID. So you can add your UPI ID and then buy. So you will get a notification in your UPI app and you can accept from there, and the super chat will be delivered to your favorite streamer. That's it. Very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you have any queries, you can ask me down in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 1K subscribers. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.